Scapular retraction means pulling your shoulder blades back and together. It's a key movement for posture, shoulder stability, and upper back strength. How to perform scapular retraction. 1. Starting position. Stand or sit upright with your arms relaxed at your sides. Keep your chest open and spine neutral. 2. Movement. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together, as if you're trying to pinch a pencil between them. Avoid shrugging your shoulders up. Keep them down and relaxed. Avoid arching your lower back. Movement should come from your shoulder blades. 3. Hold and release. Hold the squeeze for 3-5 seconds. Slowly release back to neutral. Per breathing. Inhale before you retract. Exhale as you squeeze your shoulder blades. Think of moving your shoulders back and down, not just back. Keep your neck relaxed, chin tucked slightly. Start with body weight before adding resistance. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.